Hey, 10, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be reviewing graphing lines, okay? So this is the end of our linear relationships topic. Now, there are two things that we need to be able to do when we're graphing lines. We first need to be able to graph a line when we're given an equation, okay? So you're given the equation in y equals mx plus b form, and then you have to find the line, okay, but using that information. What we also have to do is we need to, given a line graphed, find its equation. So you need to work both ways, okay? Go from equation to line and also go from line to equation. So we're going to go through two examples, one of each that do those things. Okay, so here we've got to find the equation of the line with gradient -2/3 and a y-intercept 1. Now in y equals mx plus b form, remember y equals mx plus b. The m is the gradient, okay, and the b is the y-intercept. So that's what we call, it's a formula. And we just replace the m with a number or the b with a number, okay? So if the gradient is -2/3, then our equation is just going to be y equals -2/3 x, okay? And you can just write the x to the side of the fraction. You can write the x at the top of the fraction. You don't write the x in the bottom of the fraction, but you could write it that way too. And then the y-intercept is 1, so it's just going to be +1. And that's our equation. Easy as that for part A. Okay, part B, we're going to sketch this line. Now, when we sketch a line, okay, we can do it to scale, but also we can sort of do it roughly and just show the key information we need so that that line is understood. So here's my axis, my y axis. Okay, the first thing I'm going to put is my y-intercept. Okay, 1 is where it passes through, and it's going to have a negative gradient, meaning it's going to go down from left to right. It's going to go down, and it's going to be at -2/3, so it's slightly less than a straight sort of even diagonal. It's going to be slightly less steep, something like this. Okay. That's roughly what it's going to look like. And now I just need to put some other piece of information here to show what that gradient is exactly. So if the gradient is -2/3, okay, that means that every time I go across 3, the run is 3, the rise is going down 2. So if I go across 3, so from 0, I go 1, 2, 3, it's going to have gone down 2 spaces, so it's going to be at -1. So I can put a point here and label it 3. That's how far it's going to cross, and then it's going to be at -1 because it's gone down 2 from that other point. So now that I've got these 2 points here, okay, we can make this 0, 1 like this. Now we've got 2 points here. That line can only be the line of this equation here, okay? We've shown its y-intercept, we've shown its gradient, and so we can say, label this graph with its equation, saying that's the equation of this particular line here, okay? All right, now we're gonna find the equation of this straight line. Now, all we know is its y-intercept, and we've given another point. So remember, to find an equation, you just need to find 2 things, the gradient, m, and the y-intercept. Okay, now this one's going to be easy. B is just going to be 1, okay, because it passes through the x-axis, or the y-axis, sorry, at 1 here. Now, what we need to do now is find the gradients, and we're just going to go rise over run from this point. So we're going to go, this is our run, this is our rise. We're going to work out how far have we gone up. So we've gone from 1 to 4. So the rise is 3. And we've gone from 0 to 7. So our run is 7. So our gradient, therefore, is going to be 3/7. Okay, we've gone up 3 and across 7. Our gradient is 3/7. So therefore, our equation is just simply y equals 3/7x plus 1. Okay, simple as that. All right, I hope you enjoyed the video. Good luck with the revision questions, and I will see you in the next video.